Hi, it's Rocky. Today we're going to unbox the 152 Crayola crayons that I got for Hanukkah. And it's also most the ultimate crayon collection. I'll show you it. And the top, and show you a little bit of the bottom like this. And there's like 152 colors. There's like 120 main colors, but there's like, how many colors? There's like 32 special colors. And why don't we just open the box? Why don't we pause it, Bubby? Well, it's a bit quick. It's a bit quick. Continue. Okay, I have the crayons out and look at all the colors. There's even a sharpener. Look. Yeah, pretty cool. Well, why don't I take out all the markers and the sharpener that I can show you. Here's some of the colors. There's like the neon colors. And here's some of the other colors that are pretty cool. There's like there's like eight boxes that you can restore the crayons in one free 24 pack of a box of crayons that you can restore. Just there's some of the other crayons, so metallics, I think, and literally just there's all the other colors here. And here's the last pack with 24. Now, soon I'll show you all the colors lined up. I'll show you that on another video.